Eastern Paradigm. I am Priya Brahma. The King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, India tour begins. Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, extends a warm welcome to the King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk, as he landed in Guwahati during his official visit to India. The King of Bhutan is on an official visit to India from November 3 to November 10 with a 3-day stay in Assam. King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk is set to meet with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi as part of his visit. The king will also receive calls from External Affairs Minister and senior officials of the Government of India to discuss various matters of mutual interest. The Assam Cabinet has approved the reservation of seats for Bhutanese nationals in medical colleges in the state on November 1 ahead of the king's visit. The visit gained significant geopolitical importance due to China's recent efforts to strengthen official diplomatic ties with Bhutan, which has raised concerns in India. The 2017 Doklam standoff, a border dispute between India and China near the Tri-Junction area claimed by both China and Bhutan, almost led to a war and remains a strategic concern for India. Subsequent to the standoff, China and Bhutan's relationship improved, and this visit is seen as an opportunity to address India's concerns and strengthen the Indo-Bhutan relationship. The Tri-Junction area is strategically important for India, making this visit an essential step in addressing regional security and diplomatic challenges. King Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk's visit to India and Assam is expected to foster closer ties between the two nations, reassuring India's commitment to Bhutan's sovereignty and security. That's all for today. For more news, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.